Hello, everybody. It is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020, and it is a great day to be a junior Potter. Mr. Parrott here with your science rundown. But first, up above, some general announcements. Make sure you take a look at them. Nothing much has changed so far. Just remember that we're got into the year things planning, so make sure you keep on checking those Mr. Hoffman emails when you do the attendance stuff. Don't just click the link and forget to read all the rest of the stuff. Make sure you read the rest of the stuff there, because you could have some information on that end of the year stuff coming up any day now, as we're looking to wrap things up here, since May is right around the corner. Friday, that's when May starts, so we're looking at the home stretch here coming along. So before we dig into what we got going on today, first off, I know there was an issue with one of the questions on the Pear Deck. Thank you for those of you that reached out. That it didn't seem right. That question that was on the first slide got repeated again. We forgot to save and change stuff when things happened there, but when we went back and tried to add in the actual question, we would have had to create a brand new code, a brand new link, and basically make you redo everything if we were to change the question, so we just kept it the way that it was. It is changed now, so if you want to know the question, it was basically like the one before, where it was name an example of a parasite other than the ones on this page. Was kind of the idea going behind it. So there's a little bit of that going on in there, but hopefully you didn't worry too much about it and just answered the question, hopefully. I'll pretty much take whatever you've answered that, because that was kind of a screw up on that one. So the last slide, we'll take as it is there. But the other one should be good. Solid stuff happening there. There's about 112, I think, when I last checked, of you filling that stuff out. So that means about 10 of you still to go, which is about how it usually is when we're wrapping up the day here. So make sure you get on there, log on, answer a couple of questions on each one. Remember, only complete sentences where it says so. And then we'll jump into today's assignment here, which is our symbiosis worksheet, which is pretty straightforward here. What you're going to do for this one, as the directions say, you're going to match the relationship with the descriptions. So I've got a description of an interaction between two animals. You have to tell me whether it's competition, commensalism, parasitism, predation, or mutualism. Remember, competition is when two things are fighting it out over something, whether it be a food, water, shelter, a mate, what have you. They're fighting it out over something. Commensalism is where the one is kind of mooching off of something else. It's the one where one benefits, the other one doesn't really get anything out of it. So that's commensalism. The next one, it looks like for C, is parasitism. That's where the one thing, latches on, just drains the life essence or whatever it is out of the host target. Remember, trying not to kill them, but usually if you're weakening something, you're setting them up for, at some point. We got D, which is predation, which is something eating something else. We talked about the food chain last week, so that's all predation happening in there. So take a look out for some of those. And then you got E, is the final option there, is going to be mutualism. That's where both parties that are involved with it are going to benefit in some way, shape, or form. They're going to both benefit. So what you have is 10 descriptions of different examples. You're going to use either A, B, C, D, or E. I simplified it for you. You don't even have to write out the whole word. So just A, B, C, or D, and you can put that right in the highlighted spaces there. When you want to have your answer, you're going to use each option twice. So there's going to be 2 competitions, 2 commensalisms, 2 parasitisms, 2 predations, and 2 mutualisms. 2 is the magic number for today. As you're going through that, keep that in mind. As soon as you find the 2 mutualisms, there shouldn't be any more. If there is, you might want to consult the notes from yesterday to see what really that stuff entails. If you're still getting confused on things, you can always email me. I'll kind of give you an example or something to set you straight. I'm not just going to say like the answer is E, but I'll give you something else to ponder about and to think about. And then, as always, hit submit when you're finished on that Google Classroom. This is going to be due Thursday, 9 a.m., since, remember, Wednesdays there's no new stuff being pushed out. if you want to get it done today, I mean, more power to you. That'll be excellent. One less thing to worry about. You can kind of maybe relax, hopefully, on a Wednesday, possibly for that. That's my goal, at least, is to try to get everything done. So that can be a little bit relaxation for you in the middle of the week. But you got 10 questions there. You got to choose which one is which. Ask questions if you got any. What we're going to do on Thursday and Friday this week is I got some videos lined up. Hopefully they work. Fingers crossed. Where you're going to watch some videos and tell me what is happening in the videos, whether it's competition, commensalism, parasitism, predation, or mutualism, and why you chose that. So look forward to that coming up on both Thursday and Friday. You're going to have 5 to do each time there for a total of 10. And with that being said, we'll make it a little quicker video here. Hope you're all staying safe. It's supposed to be raining today, so hopefully you found something to do on a rainy day. And always remember that it is a great day to be a junior Potter.